So the question I have for you is negative 2 to the fourth with parentheses around the negative 2, is that equal to negative 2 to the fourth without parentheses? And the short answer to the question is no, it's not. And the reason is the exponent only applies to what's immediately to the left of it. So in this case, the what we're raising to the power of 4 is the 2, but not the negative, because that's a different element there. Whereas over in this one, what we're raising to the power of 4 is negative 2, because this unit over here is immediately to the left of the 4. I think it is helpful to look at negative 2 as the same thing as really negative 1 times 2. And I think that'll kind of clarify the situation. So negative 2 is the same thing as negative 1 times 2. So let's just replace that in both situations. So what we have is negative 1 times 2 in parentheses to the fourth. And over here we have negative 1 times 2 to the fourth. Well, the order of operations says that we do PEMDAS. So we do parentheses first, and then after parentheses we do exponents. Okay, so in this situation here, there's no parentheses, so we do the exponent. So 2 to the fourth would be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is positive 16. And then after that we do multiplication. So we take the 16 and we multiply it by negative 1. So we get negative 16 is the value of negative 2 to the fourth without parentheses. Well, let's look at this one then. The order of operations says we do what's in the parentheses first. So we evaluate that first. So negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. And then we raise that to the fourth power. So that's negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. Times negative 2 is negative 8. Times negative 2 is positive 16. So 16, positive 16 for this guy, and then negative 16 for this guy. So the parentheses are very important. The powers apply only to what's immediately to the left. And if it helps you look at it this way, for me it helps. Look at a negative number as a factor of negative 1 and then the positive version of that number, and then just follow the order of operations and you'll be home free.